Okay, so the web manager has now downloaded into your browser, and the first thing it's showing to you is your file directory. So this is it. You've got different folders here for containing different types of elements or files. We've got audio files, we've got drafts, flash files, images, PDFs, etc. And this one here is your index page for your website, and at the moment it's an empty site, there's nothing on it, so you've just got one file which doesn't have anything in it. So the first thing we're going to play with is your template. So if we click on the templates folder, we've already given you a file called basic. So this is your basic template. I'm going to left click on that to highlight it. It says basic in there just to identify that you have selected to open the basic template, and now we're going to click open. Okay, so we're starting pretty much from a blank screen here. So this is your site content kind of container. Now to select that, I just clicked on my left mouse button. I'm going to click on the background now, again with the left mouse button, just like so. Whilst the background's whilst nothing's selected, I'm going to edit the background properties. I'm going to do that by clicking this button here, and I'm going to bring in an image to be my to make up the background of my website. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to bring a new image in from my desktop, from my hard drive, and I have created a folder called demo site just for this purpose, and this is the image I want. So I've clicked on that, click open, and now I'm going to click upload. Okay, so there it is. That's my image. I'm going to set it to be my background. So I've selected on that bg.png, set background. Now I want to repeat it across the page, so I'm going to set it as repeat rows. I could have it as no repeat or repeat columns, but this one's designed to go across the page, so I'm going to select repeat rows and then click apply. Okay, so I've got an image there. It's actually just 1 pixel wide, and because I've selected repeat rows, it's just selected it right across the page. It's just repeated it right across the page. Now I've also got a background for the site content, so I've left clicked on that to select it, and I'm going to click on this button here, and I'm going to do the same thing again. And content VG. That's the one. Set background. And this one I'm going to repeat columns. Okay, so all it is a transparent PNG with an edge on it, both left and right. I'm going to bring that in so it fits the width. Perfect. This has got a guide around it, just so I know what I'm playing with. It's handy to have guides on when you're playing with your different elements, especially when it comes to selecting them, but you can turn them off by clicking this button here. Okay, so there's just a couple more things I'm going to do to my template. The other ones are going to bring in a logo. So click import on that. There you go. So Joe's Cars, obviously. This is just a demonstration website. I'm not really doing a website for someone called Joe who sells cars. And then the last thing I want to do is bring in a navigation element. So I'm going to bring this one here, and I want my navigation to sit over this black line, but because I don't really have any pages yet, I'm going to leave that empty. And then lastly, I want one container to be my content. So whilst that's highlighted, I'm going to click properties. I'm going to set it to be editable, and I'm going to make it the contents of the page. Now how this works is all going to come clear when we start playing with pages that we build on this template. So I'm going to leave that template as it is right now, and I'm going to click save. Okay, so this is part one really. Part two will be creating a page, and then everything I've just done here will start to make sense. Okay, thanks for watching.